Well guys, inside of Vitaly's box is this one, a Morris padlock. Looks a lot like an American key. 5-pin brass cylinder. Let's open this up and see what we got. See what Morris has in store for us. Alright, looks like a standard American. Looks like the 1200 series. Looks like an American key as well, except it's got Morris stamped all over it. So, total rip-off, but let's see if we can get into this thing. I'm betting it's just like an American, so anytime you see this you got to expect that there are going to be probably some security pins in there, and they're usually serrated. Okay, I'm going to use a deep hook from Dan Morris, top of the keyway, all the way in, and it's a nice open keyway. Yeah, I can already tell serrated. Nice light tension. That was 5. Well now, isn't this a surprise? A little bit of feedback on 4, but I think that might just be the core rocking in there. There we go, we got an open. Alright, serrated pins, no big deal. 5-pinner from Morse, direct copy, total rip-off of the American 1200 series. No big deal, fellas, you can do it. Use very light tension and you'll get into these things. Anyway, Vitaly, thank you, sir, for the lock. Stay safe, gentlemen. Stay legal.